to be frank, I love dogs. Hey, Bubba. But you know what I love more? Food, such as hot dogs. So today, in preparation for certain events such as Father's Day and the upcoming next month, July 4th, you're going to be making just a hot dog. Easy. Now, grilling a hot dog is something that any American should be able to do. So we're just gonna really just go over the basics, how you wanna do it, how you wanna do it on one of those bad boys over there. Lion Premium Grills. You know what the best part about that is? We have to make sure to get a hot dog for the occasion. The Hoffy Premium Beef Franks. Look at my dog. Look at him looking at this. He likes hot dogs. The way I put these together is it's kind of like a weird family thing that I do. I don't know. I already kind of did this beforehand. You kind of see there is a circular cut around the whole thing. Why, you might ask? I'm asking the same question. The way you do it, simply, you hold it and be careful with your fingers, okay? That's the wrong kind of hot dog to be cutting. Now then, your grill, what do you want to do with that thing? What do you want to do with that thing? Oh, you know. You want to have it to at least 400 degrees. Now, I have it at 450 preheated, but whatever. Now, it's not going to even be that big of a deal. Like, you only have to do like a quarter turn, whatever, every like minute even. So you'll be done with these in about 4 minutes. It's that easy. Look at this, come here. I wouldn't doubt, it's only been like 30 seconds. If I was to pick this up, they would already have like little marks. Look at that, it's already pretty much done. Except it's not. You just gotta eyeball it, if I'm being honest with you. So it's about time to do another turn. It's literally only been like 45 seconds, if I'm being honest with you. And look. Oh, shoot. Oh, that looks so good, Jesus. So we'll keep it there. We'll just do a nice little quarter turns, everyone. Oh my God. But while these hot dogs are cooking, I might as well talk about what you could put on a hot dog. Like, I know you all know what to do with this kind of stuff, but I might as well go over it. Ketchup. How could you go wrong with it? It's like tomato. Everyone loves tomato. Mustard. Still can't even tell you what that actually is. I think it's like its own plant or whatever. Not a fan of mustard, but I can understand people that do like it. Relish is just like cucumber, pickle, whatever. I've never been the biggest fan of it, but I understand people that do. Over here, on the nice Lion Premium Grill side burner, double side burner actually, because there's 2 of them, if you count. We got chili. Ooh. I like chili just as much as I like Chili's restaurant. And all this stuff, you know, you just put it on your hot dog. It's not like it's a big deal or whatever. But personally, for me, the only thing I'm gonna work on is ketchup. And speaking of hot dog, the hot dog is burning. Let's go fix that. So this is really the last turn I have to do. You can see that's kind of like a burn on all sides except for one of them. So let's change that. So we got our hot dog buns. Now, most people, they like to like lather butter beforehand and put on like mayo or whatnot, but I'm gonna do that after. A little bit of bam. That was horrible. A bam. And a bam. Ooh. These ones, they grill so fast. I feel like the hot dogs are done. Ooh, and the bun. Oh yeah, I think the buns are done. Ooh, I love how burnt that is. Oh, this one's gonna be the burntest of all. So personally, I like it this burnt, but most people like it like this. So we got the hot dogs done. That was quite very, very easy. Let's just say that's very, very easy. But before I even taste it, I think I'm gonna give it to this little guy first. Did you like it? Did you like the hot dog, Bumpy? Did you like the hot dog? Look at him. He wants it. Oh, he's so cute. Now let's go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to put ketchup on it. What else can I say? It's just an American hot dog. There's nothing crazy about it. It's not like it's gonna be the best food you've ever had, even though since it's mine, it would be the best food you've ever had. But
it's good. I like it a lot. So good. What? I don't want you getting there sick later. Your little poor tummy's gonna hurt. Got a little piece for you. So to be honest, this is just a really good hot dog. So easy to make, so delicious, all these different things. You know, I would suggest making it, but only on Lion Premium Grills, and only with a dog of your own that would really enjoy it. You know, hot dog for the papa.